Hey, it's me, Rachel. Welcome to Species of the Day. And today, the species of the day is lichens. No, I don't mean werewolves. Alright, so what I mean is red soldier lichens. These are my favorite types. Lichen is a mix of fungi and algae. These two creatures or types of creatures come together to form a specific bond that we call symbiotic because they both benefit from being with each other. The fungi gives the algae a place to live, and then it takes around 4 years before the fungi can form those red bright spores. And the spores for a fungi are like its seeds in order for it to reproduce. And that's why this sort of lichen spreads over across what it can attach itself to, like a dead or decaying log. So these British soldier lichens, as you see here, are made up with the green algae on the bottom and the red fungi on the top. They're named after the British soldiers of the Revolutionary War, also known as redcoats because that was their main uniform staple, a bright red coat. And what it does is only grows about 1 millimeter or 2 a year in that green stem-like structure that the spores sit upon. That's called the thallus. Now remember, that starts with a T and not a P, so don't get those two things confused. The other thing about this that I love so much is that lichens can stay alive for a very long time. It will get dried up when it's too hot, but it will hold on to itself. It's going to just stay dormant until it can have more water again. And then it will come back the next time. Now you might think that the only thing lichens do is to create their photosynthetic reaction and also decay the thing that they're on. But what they also are food for other things. These lichens, red British soldiers, can be eaten by deer, turkey, snails, or rodent, and also other insects. Well, that's all for Species of the Day. I hope you learned something, and I'll see you next time. So with British soldiers, what happens is the cat comes in and bothers me. What are you doing?